Hey guys, where do you want to go today? I don't know. No, I just have no idea. Well, we could just ask Chef PP. Chef PP? Is he over there dead? Also naked? I have no idea. Did you check Noah? Maybe. But I just don't want to see it because it's appropriate. Let's get back. Well, he said maybe. Noah said maybe. Why you fell? No, it doesn't matter. Noah will pick him up. Alright, take a note. You're welcome. But let's go see a Chef PP. Just stay here. Alright, Chef PP. Are you under here? Oh! I think I see Chef PP. And Foxy. Let's go get them. I can't fit. I can't fit. Also, guys, if you heard that loud bang, that is not the phone. That's just a little charger. See that charger? But yeah. But can you help Noah? Yeah, I can help. I can help. It's gonna be bursting. How is that word broken? Like how? I think Chef is fat. Thing is. There is no way. Alright. Well, where's Junior? I gotta go check. I'll just find the same way. Junior! Let me see. Oh, Junior's down there stuck. Well, he's getting sucked in. Stuck in. He said he's getting sucked in. They're just... Look, there's Foxy. I'm gonna help. No! Wait, what? What is my hat coming off? I can barely see it. Oh my god, this blanket is so comfy. I think this is for Christmas, but y'all know it's not Christmas, it's summer. Today is summer. Well, just gonna lay down. Wait,